Well, hello there, and thanks for coming by and having tea with Linda. In case you didn't know, I'm still Linda. Hi! It's day 22! That's right, day 22. Christmas is literally in a couple of days. Can you believe that? I'm blown away. And I can't wait to see what our Burn Blend calendar has in store for us today on this day 22. So let's pop on the readers so we can see. And today, this sounds freaking amazing. Dark chocolate chili chai. Ha ha! Some of my favorite words all wrapped in one. It is a smooth chocolate that packs a chili punch. It is a black tea base that we brew for 4 minutes. We can have with or without milk. Ingredients are Sri Lankan black tea, cocoa nibs, cocoa shells, cardamom, cinnamon, ginger, chili, and natural flavorings. I'm excited, I must say. All right, we'll shove our 22 dark chocolate chili chai. That's fun to say. Dark chocolate chili chai. Oh, what are you having today, love? Oh, darling, I'm having dark chocolate chili chai. Such fun. Let's try not to rip the bag this time like I just did. Yeah, oh well, that's okay. All right. It smells of chocolate. You can see those cocoa shells in there. I'm not really seeing the cocoa nibs, but that's all right. There's chunks of cardamom in there. It's, you know, it is what it is. Dark chocolate chili chai. That really is fun to say. All right. Hey Siri, set a timer for 4 minutes.
4 minutes. Counting down.
All right. Okay, if this is your first time at the channel, thanks for coming by and happy holidays. Merry Christmas and all that other fun stuff to you. I hope everything is going well for you this 22nd day of December. If you have come back by to see what our Bird and Blend Advent Calendar has in store for us, thank you very much. I appreciate it. As the time gets closer and closer to Christmas, I really can't tell you how much it means to me that you're spending 8 to 12 minutes of your time with me this close to Christmas time to see what wonderful teas we're having. I appreciate it more than you know. Hey Siri, stop timer. Okay, our 4-minute timer has elapsed.
It stopped.
Okay, that was strange. Very strange. Okay, dark chocolate chili chai. I'm excited. All right, our leaves have plumped up. There is particulate in this cup. I think I ripped the tea bag again though. Oh yes, I did. I ripped it right there. So there is particulate from the tea bag that is from the rip, but I think there's also particulate from the tea that would come out even with it not being ripped. The color is a little bit light, but that's all right. Not so much worried about the color as I am the taste at this point. So the smell, it's a chocolatey smell, but it's kind of an earthy chocolatey smell, which is interesting, but it's definitely chocolatey. Oh, shut the front door. Oh my gosh. Okay, you know how I said before, go back to whatever day the winter is coming. I think that was day 3. I love that tea. This is it. Oh my gosh, this is flipping amazing. Wow. 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 Okay. So I'm getting that kind of thick dark chocolate taste to it. I love dark chocolate. I would rather eat dark chocolate any day of the week than, any other type of chocolate. So this is freaking amazing just with the dark chocolate taste alone, because it's got that heady and robust taste that the dark chocolates have. And then you get that little kick of that chili, that spice that's right there, and that is just flipping awesome. Wow. That is so good. I'm getting the dark chocolate chili, not so much the chai taste. And again, I'm basing that on a marsala chai because it's got the cardamom, the cinnamon, the cloves. Actually, because so it's been a couple of moments since I've had a sip, and I've still got a little bit of that chili taste on my tongue, but you can taste those spices now, kind of like an aftertaste of it, and that's a very interesting taste. I mean, that black tea, the Sri Lankan black tea, is your delivery vessel, but that chili and that chocolate taste, and then the aftertaste with the chai spices, the masala chai spices. This may be one of my favorite chocolate teas. Oh my, this is really good. If you enjoy a little bit of spice, I'm really digging this. Wow. Wow. I really, really like that. I never knew that you could put a chili type of spice in your tea. I mean, I guess I should have figured it out, but this is my new favorite. Yeah. Wow. I am almost speechless because I'm enjoying this so much. So I'm just going to stop, sit back, relax, and drink the rest of this tea, and I will catch y'all tomorrow. Bye. Oh my stars, wow. Oh my gosh. Hey there, did you enjoy the content today? I hope you did. If so, think about subscribing. That way I can keep my tea habit up. Thanks. Bye. Oh my God. Yum, 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 yum.